Story of Rabbit and Turtle. This story is about a rabbit and a turtle. The rabbit challenges the turtle to participate in a race competition with him. The rabbit is proud of its speed. The turtle is very slow to walk but still participates in the race. As soon as the race starts, the rabbit starts running at his speed but the turtle moves slowly. The rabbit goes on and on. After going some distance, he looks back and sees that no one was there behind him. Then he thought, the tortoise is too lazy and he would come slowly. But I am much faster than him and far ahead of him. Thinking that, the rabbit went to sleep in a nearby tree and thought that he would get up after a while and take part in the race. The rabbit kept sleeping but the turtle kept on moving. While walking, the turtle noticed that the rabbit was sleeping under the tree. Still, the tortoise kept moving forward. Suddenly the turtle reached the final spot and he won this competition. After some time, when the rabbit's eyes opened, he saw that there was no one around. He felt that the turtle was still behind him. He went running and at the end, he saw that the turtle had won the competition. This story teaches us that we should not stop until we reach our end goal. And children, always remember that losing or winning does not matter, but participation matters.